Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I've partnered with FabFitFun to show you guys what's inside the summer 2018 box. So FabFitFun just released their summer 2018 box and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside of it. I know if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for quite a while now, you guys have seen me unbox like the winter box, spring box, fall box, so you guys have seen what's inside of those. But if you don't already know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year with full-size products inside. So every season you get a new box filled with like those seasons goodies kind of things. So they cover stuff from like fashion, beauty, makeup, lifestyle, wellness. Like you get a whole box filled with just like the best things for the season pretty much. So they always have your seasonal essentials in there and it just feels like your birthday like 4 times a year, like getting your box and you have like so many presents inside. It's so much fun unboxing it and then trying out all the new products. But the best part is that every box has like over $250 worth of stuff inside and you only pay $49.99. Plus you can get $10 off your first box if you've never tried it before using my discount code KM10 down below. I'll link the discount code down below in the description box. But guys, let's get into what I got in my box. Now FabFitFun lets you customize your box so you might get something different in yours, but I'll show you guys what I got in mine. There's a few different options that you can get, so let's just dive in. So the first thing I got in my box that I was so excited by was this Tarte's Pro Glow eyeshadow palette, and I love the Tarte makeup in general. I have the Tarte's Pro Glow highlight and contour palette, which I used today. I'm so excited to try their eyeshadow because I pretty much only use the Tarte eyeshadow, so I'm really excited to have this new palette here. I'm going to show you guys what colors are inside. Look how gorgeous those are. Let's swatch a few right now so I can show you guys what they look like. Guys, look at these eyeshadows in here. They're so pigmented and creamy. We got Drive, Stylin', Crisp, Boss, Hype, and Dominate. Wow, this is such a good compact palette. It has 3 matte shades and 3 glitter shades. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this palette. I know it's probably really popular at the store right now, but you get the option between the eyeshadow palette or the Pro Glow face palette that has the contour and highlight, which I've used before, which I love as well. But those are your 2 options. And if you choose this one, you also get the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner, which is amazing. So I'm really excited that I got the eyeshadow palette because now I have this new liquid eyeliner, which is so nice. Look at this little skinny top right there. This is gonna be a really good eyeliner. Can't wait to try this as well. So yeah, if you choose this, this is a $43 value. So that's pretty much like the whole box right there in your first thing that you got out of the box. So you already get your values worth by getting this in the box. So let me show you guys what else I got. The next thing I got in this box is this Coola sunscreen for your face. It's SPF 50 and this stuff is really popular right now. It also doubles as a moisturizer because you know we should be wearing sunscreen every day, so that's actually a good step to your makeup routine. It's also made up of 70% organic ingredients, like it says on the box, farm to face, which is so cool. I've never even seen that in like a beauty product before, and it's TSA approved, so you can travel with it. It's a perfect size, and I can't wait to try this. I should really start wearing sunscreen every day if I use this, plus my SPF foundation. I feel like I'll be covered and look younger forever. So, oh, it's like so thin and light. Wow, you know how most sunscreens like leave that white residue? Like this is like super moisturizing. It literally just feels like a moisturizer. Ooh. Wow, and that smells so good. That doesn't even smell like sunscreen. Wow, I would so wear that every day and like I wouldn't have to walk around smelling like sunscreen. So this is great. I'm so excited to try this. This was a $32 value. So again, we already got $45 worth of stuff, $32 worth of stuff. I'll add it all together in the end of how much this box is worth. But yeah, we're saving money and trying new things, so this is so exciting. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh, next thing in this box is from Pier 1. Love home decor stuff. Love anything that I can put around my house. This thing is so gorgeous. Let me show you it. Look how pretty this is. White marble with a little gold accent. Like this is goals right here. This is what I need on my counter. I don't even wear a lot of rings, but I do have like bobby pins and little things like hanging around. So obviously it'll make it look way better if I put it on this. This is worth $15 on its own if you were to buy this. So I love little things like this that they put in the box because it's not only like makeup and beauty stuff, you get like practical lifestyle things too. So I really, really love this. So I'm so excited that they put something from Pier 1 in there. But let's move on. Let's see what else I got in this box. Ooh, I see a workout band. They covered everything with this box. We got fitness going on now. This is by Meiji Sport. It's a resistant band showing your butt, your thighs, you know what I mean? Wow, I've never had one of these and I'm really excited to add it to my gym. That is super exciting that they put this in the box. Definitely a summer thing. You know, everyone worries about their summer body. They got you covered. So this band has a value of $15. You can choose a band like this, or you could have chose a bottle of Enzyme Face Rejuvenator that costs $29.99, or you could have picked this really cute summery wallet that costs $20. So you get to pick your options here if you want to work out and that's important to you. You could pick this like me. The next thing I got in this box that I've tried for a few nights already is this Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Exfoliating Cream. And guys, this stuff is the lightest exfoliant I have ever tried. It goes on like cream like that and it stays creamy. Like there's no sand particles, there's no like grainy particles or anything. It's just like, it feels like a moisturizer, which is so crazy that it's a cream exfoliant. But I tried it for a few nights. It smells so good. I guess it smells like papaya. I don't even know what papaya smells like, but I guess it smells like that. And it's so light. Like after I cleanse my skin, I put this on and I was like, oh, it's like softer in the morning. You know when you get that like really nice finish to your skin? But this was a super gentle way of exfoliating my skin. Like as you guys may know, I have very sensitive skin. So if I use those really rough exfoliants, like my face will turn into a tomato, literally. It will just like inflame and get really big because it's irritated. And this was so soft. So I think this is a really cool thing to add to my skincare routine. This is also worth $45 too. So this is like adding up in price already. So you could choose this or you can choose a hair protectant spray that costs like $34. So there's different options in this box. If you guys care about skincare, this would be something really cool to try. The next thing in this box is really, really special because if you were to order a FabFitFun box, you're like one of the first people to try this product. And it's the Foreo Luna Fofo Facial Brush. I have to show you guys this thing. It's so cool. It's one of those little handheld brush to cleanse your face. And just with like a click of a button, it starts vibrating so you can brush in the cleanser around your face. This thing is so advanced. You can hook it up through Bluetooth to the Foreo Luna app and it tells you your skin's age, like the moisture in your skin. It tracks progress. Like I can't believe that. This literally like measures everything you need to know about your skin, which is crazy while you're like using it to brush your face. So that is really, really cool. And this Foreo Luna brush costs $89. So this one brush costs more than the entire box for you, which is just crazy. So we're getting so much stuff in this box. This is probably one of the most expensive things in the box. I can't wait to try this and find out how old my skin is. Like that's gonna be crazy, but I'll post my results on Instagram stories so you guys can see too. The next thing I got in this box is so cool. I've talked about this kind of thing on my channel before, but it's Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel. And guys, this stuff is made up of a bunch of different essential oils. And this is so cool because I've told you guys I use peppermint oil if I have headaches or muscle pain, and you put peppermint oil and it really like cools your skin, kind of acts as like an ice pack. But this stuff is so nice and like natural, and I put it on my skin the other night around my neck to like ease my neck pain from being on the computer too much, and it's really, really soothing. So this one has rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger in it. And I've never even tried those essential oils to like ease muscles like that. I've only used peppermint oil. So this is really cool to like try this out and see how this works. This muscle gel costs $39, but if you don't really care to get a muscle gel, they also have a body hydrating treatment that costs $48. And if you also don't care for that option either, they also have this really cute gold and pearl ring that costs $55. So there's so many different options you can get. You can customize this box however you want, but I really like essential oils. I use this kind of stuff all the time instead of like popping Advils, you know what I mean? The last thing I got in this box is very, very summery. It's like something everyone needs for the summertime. It's the Summer and Rose oversized beach towel, and it's made from microfiber, so sand doesn't stick to it. You know the whole waving your towel around the sand problem and getting all stuck to you? You don't have to deal with that with this one. So it comes in two different patterns. I'll show you guys what I got, but guys, this doesn't even feel like a towel. Like this is the softest thing ever. I cannot believe this towel. This is the coolest thing ever. This is such a pretty pattern. It's just a bunch of tropical leaves. It's humongous. Like I can't even show you guys the whole thing. It's white on one side and printed on the other, and you guys have to feel this. Like this feels like a blanket. This doesn't even feel like a towel. Like this will be so nice to bring to the beach. I can't get over this. I'm so happy with this. This was also a $55 towel. So I don't know if you guys normally buy $55 towels, but I know I don't. So getting this in the box is like definitely a huge treat for me. Wow, I'm just gonna cherish this towel forever. So anyways, that's everything I got in this summer 2018 box, and they are like perfect summer essentials. It's everything I need. I'm so excited. I feel like it's my birthday come early because my birthday is next week, guys. Get ready. I'm excited. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can give you a little sneak peek into what you guys are gonna get in your summer 2018 box. And oh, I need to let you guys know the value of the entire box. This one is way over $250. Depending on what you guys choose to put in your box, you can have a value between $321 and $367. So that's like way over $250 worth of stuff in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my box. Let me know if you guys get anything different in yours. Again, if you guys haven't ordered FabFitFun already, I'll leave my discount code down below, KM10, and the link to it. You guys can try it out for yourself and let me know what you guys got in your box. I think you guys are really gonna like it. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and make sure you turn my notifications on so you're always first to watch every single video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!